Welcome to Geoscope 360, your window into the dynamic forces shaping our planet. Today, we're diving beneath your feet, to the invisible engine of Earth's geography, tectonic plates. What are they, and how do they actually form mountains? Let's explore. Imagine the Earth as a giant broken eggshell. Its outer layer, the crust, is broken into large puzzle-like pieces called tectonic plates. These plates float on a soft, semi-liquid layer called the asthenosphere. Here are 7 major tectonic plates, like the Pacific Plate, Eurasian Plate, and African Plate, and many smaller ones. They are constantly moving, though very slowly, just a few centimeters per year. Tectonic plates move because of convection currents in Earth's mantle. Hot magma rises, cools near the surface, then sinks back down, like a giant conveyor belt of lava. This circulation pushes and pulls plates in different directions. Now here's where it gets really interesting. When tectonic plates collide, they can form mountains through a process called orogeny, a Greek word derived from oros, meaning mountain. Here are 3 main ways this happens. First, at convergent boundaries, also called continental collisions. For example, the Himalayas. When 2 continental plates collide, neither wants to sink beneath the other. Instead, the Earth buckles and folds upward, like a car hood buckling in a crash. This is how the Himalayas formed when the Indian Plate hit the Eurasian Plate. Second, oceanic continental collisions. For example, the Andes Mountains. When an oceanic plate meets a continental plate, the denser oceanic plate is pushed down in a process called subduction. The sinking plate melts, forming magma that rises and creates volcanic mountain ranges, like the Andes in South America. Third, volcanic mountains form at hotspots. For example, Hawaii. Sometimes mountains rise from the sea because of hotspots, fixed large magma plumes that pierce through the crust. When a tectonic plate passes over a hotspot, it can create a chain of volcanic islands, like Hawaii. Mountains may seem permanent, but they are still growing or shrinking. The Himalayas are still rising today, about 5 millimeters per year, as plates continue their slow collision. So next time you see a mountain range, remember, it's not just a beautiful view. It's the result of millions of years of tectonic storytelling beneath your feet. If you enjoyed this glimpse into Earth's inner mechanics, please like, subscribe, and get ready for our next episode, where we'll explore how earthquakes reveal Earth's hidden structure. This is Geoscope 360, where Earth comes alive.